In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download images from Midjourney. First, make sure you're signed in to your Midjourney account in your web browser. Once you're in, head to the Explore page. This is where Midjourney showcases a broad gallery of generated work, and it's the quickest place to browse and pick an image you'd like to save. Give the page a moment to load, especially if you're on a slower connection since the thumbnails can be high quality. At the top of Explore, look toward the upper right and switch to the Images view. Midjourney often features different types of content, including videos, so confirming that you're on images helps filter the gallery to still images only. You can scroll, use the search bar, or apply available filters to narrow down the results until you find something you want to download. When you found an image you like, hover your mouse over it. You should see a small icon with 3 lines appear, usually in a corner of the thumbnail. That's the quick menu for that image. If you don't see it right away, try moving your cursor slightly or clicking the image once to open its detail view. The same menu icon will appear there as well. On some displays, it may look like 3 stacked lines or a compact menu button. Click the 3 lines to open the menu, then choose Download Image. Your browser will either prompt you to pick a save location or automatically save the file to your default downloads folder. If you're prompted, pick a folder you'll remember and consider renaming the file to something meaningful so it's easy to find later. If the download starts automatically, check your downloads folder when it's finished. The file will typically be a PNG or JPEG suitable for sharing, mood boards, or inspiration. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If the menu doesn't appear, make sure you're logged in. Some options only show for signed-in users. If the save dialog doesn't pop up, your browser may be set to autosave. You can change that in your browser's download settings. And always respect creators' rights and Midjourney's terms of use when saving and using images from the Explore feed. That's it. Log in, go to Explore, switch to Images, open the 3-line menu on the image you want and click Download Image. You now have a clean, reliable way to save images from Midjourney to your device.